Oh my god, viewers. I just created this amazing 3D cartoon style video in literally one click using one of the most powerful AI tools right now called Corpy AI. And honestly, this tool is absolutely incredible. So without wasting any time, first of all, head over to YouTube and search for the channel called Emma Daily English. As you can see, this channel has around 394k subscribers with only 39 uploaded videos, which is honestly insane. And the craziest part is that this channel is fully monetized and reportedly generating around 33.9k per month. That's a massive income, which clearly shows how powerful and profitable this niche really is. Now let's take a closer look at the type of content this channel uploads. If we open the videos section and click on popular, you'll notice that this is basically a 3D cartoon style English learning channel. They teach English in a very simple, slow, and engaging way using animated characters. This style of content is extremely attractive because viewers not only enjoy watching the videos, but they also learn English at the same time. And if we create similar, high-quality cartoon videos consistently, our channel can grow very fast and even go viral. Now here comes the exciting part. I already have a powerful master prompt prepared for you guys. You'll find this master prompt in the description of my YouTube video, so you can easily copy it from there. And don't worry, this prompt already includes everything you need, such as image prompts, video prompts, character style instructions, voiceover prompts, and much more. So you don't need to struggle or create anything manually. Simply copy the master prompt, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt there, and click on Generate. After waiting just a few seconds, boom, you'll instantly get complete scene-by-scene results ready for your project. The AI automatically generates image prompt 1, video prompt 1, voiceover prompt 1, then scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and so on. In total, it creates around 8 to 10 fully detailed scenes with matching image prompts, cinematic video prompts, and professional voiceover scripts. So now that all our scenes are ready, let's move toward today's main AI tool, where we'll generate the images, create the videos, and finally export everything professionally. So let's get started. Okay viewers, I've now opened the amazing Corpy AI platform, and honestly, this tool is incredibly powerful and entertaining for creating images, videos, and almost everything related to AI content creation. First of all, let me give you a quick overview of the tools available inside this website. As you can see, under the AI Tools section, we have Video Generator, Image Generator, Cinema Studio, Marketing Studio, and Automation features. You can even generate ArcAds, cinematic AI videos, and high-quality AI images using different advanced models available on the platform. There are multiple powerful AI models integrated here, including VO-based tools and even Nano Banana, which is completely free to use. Apart from that, if we look into the video editor section, you'll find tools like Video Compressor, Video Trimmer, Video Converter, Video to Audio Converter, and many other useful editing features. So first, I'm going to click on the Image Generator option. After opening the image section, let me show you some of the available AI models. As you can see, we have Flux 2 Pro, Nano Banana Free, Seedream 4.5, Imagine 4, and many other powerful tools. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to use Nano Banana Free because it's completely free and anyone can easily use it without spending money. Now what I'll do is simply copy the first prompt that I already saved inside my document, paste it into the prompt section, and click on the Generate button. Okay viewers, now you just need to keep a little patience and wait a few seconds, and boom. Oh my god viewers, just look at this result. The AI has generated an incredibly high-quality HD 3D cartoon-style image exactly according to my prompt. Now I'm going to copy my second prompt, paste it again, and click on Generate. After waiting a few moments, boom. Viewers, I'm honestly shocked by how incredible these Nano Banana results are inside Corpy AI. The image quality, character design, and overall style look extremely professional. Next, I'll simply copy the third prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Once again, the third image has now started generating, so again, you just need to wait patiently for a few seconds, and boom. Oh my god viewers, my third image is now ready, and everything looks fantastic. The detailing, colors, and 3D cartoon quality are seriously next level. Now once again, I'll copy the next prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After waiting for a few seconds, boom, Okay viewers, today I've successfully generated 4 different images using the Nano Banana free model inside Corpy AI, and honestly, the results are absolutely incredible. You can clearly see all 4 generated images on your screen right now, and every single result looks highly professional and engaging. So now, our image generation part is completely done, and it's finally time to move toward the video generation section. I'll simply go back and click on the video tool option. After opening the video section, you can see that multiple powerful AI video models are available here, including Sora 2, Kling V26, Grok, Seedance, VEO3, VEO 3.1 Fast, and many more advanced tools. For today's tutorial, I'm going to test 2 to 3 different video models. First of all, I'll select Kling V26 because it's one of the most powerful AI video tools currently available. I'll upload my generated image, paste the matching video prompt, enable audio, select the ratio settings, and finally click on the Generate button. As you can see, my first AI video has now started generating. You just need to wait around 1 or 2 minutes and boom. Oh my god viewers, just look at this video result. The animation quality, cinematic movement, and overall storytelling look absolutely insane. Honestly, Corpy AI is not only amazing for images, but it's also extremely powerful for AI video generation. Now I'll select my second image, add another prompt, and click Generate once again. As you can see, the second video generation has started. We'll wait a little, and boom. My second video is now ready, and the animations look absolutely stunning. This is seriously amazing. Now for the next example, I'm going to select another image, but this time I'll use the powerful VEO3 model. I'll select the ratio settings, click Generate, and let me show you the quality difference of the VEO3 model. Oh my god viewers, just look at this result. The quality, smoothness, and cinematic feel of the VEO3 model are absolutely unbelievable. My storytelling video is becoming incredibly professional and visually stunning. Honestly, this looks next level. I'm definitely going to download this result. Now finally, I'll select my last image, and this time I'm going to test the Grok Imagine model as well. I'll click on Generate, wait a few moments, and now you can also see the Grok generated result on your screen. So basically viewers, whether it's Kling, Grok, VEO, or image generation tools like Nano Banana, Corpy AI performs incredibly well in every category. Today I generated high-quality images, cinematic AI videos, and tested multiple advanced models all inside a single platform. And honestly, everything worked amazingly well. Now finally viewers, it's time to move toward the most important part of today's tutorial, the Video Editor Project section. So let's continue. Okay viewers, after clicking on the Video Editor Project section, I'm simply going to drag and upload all the videos that I downloaded earlier. Once all the clips are uploaded, I'll arrange them properly in sequence to create my final storytelling video. As you can see, I've now added all the videos into the timeline in the correct order. And honestly viewers, the best part about this platform is that you don't need any separate editing software to combine or edit your videos. Everything is already available inside Corpy AI itself. You can see multiple editing features available here, including different layouts, background music options, captions, transitions, and many other editing tools. Now I'm simply going to click on the Export button. As you can see, my final AI video is now exporting successfully. And done. My video is now completely ready. Okay viewers, if we talk about the pricing of Corpy AI, you can see that the hobby plan starts at around $11.67. If you choose the Clipper plan, it costs around $15.83, and if you go with the Pro plan, it's around $24.58. Apart from that, they also provide an unlimited plan, which costs around $165.83. And the good thing is that both monthly and yearly subscription plans are available, so you can choose whichever plan fits your needs and budget. I'll see you in the next video with another amazing AI tool and a brand new idea. Until then, take care and keep creating amazing content.